recording now. Okay guys, here we are. This is what I'm processing now. That's the leftover concentrate. Now I've got to do this bit here too, and also behind the shed here I've got a pole there. Okay, so what I wanted to show you, right, there's a bucket full of concentrate. I'll put the scales over here so we'll have a look. How heavy is one of these buckets? And we'll just put it on there, and it is 35.8 kilos. Okay, just thought I'd show you how heavy a bucket of concentrate is. The other ones probably would be about 20 kilos, maybe. We'll find out. Bye for now. Alright guys, thought I'd show you how much I've loaded up. That's it there. That's probably about 7 or 8 wheelbarrow loads of concentrate. That's it. That's the end of the concentrate. So I'll switch it on and we'll see how she goes. I've cleared it all. This is just bigger stones. The stuff over there, I've done 6 buckets. I'm not going to do any more of that. I'll go back to digging down the bottom over there. That's where I'm headed next. So that's going to happen in the next few days. Till then, bye for now. Okay guys, thought I'd do a bit of a video with the GoPro because it's a much cleaner resolution. That way you can see it. Yeah. You can see the spinel come all the way to here. Okay. Yeah, there it is there too. I think it's spinel. Yep. Jay's finding it hard to sink. That's the problem with doing concentrate. Okay, turn the trommel off. Now I'll just let it all sink down. And we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, thought I'd show you. Here we are. Now there's a heap more this time that I've left in, is because if you have a look here, it's all black. Look at that. No wonder there was yeah, we'll have a look. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Okay. I need both hands to do this, so later. Okay, I've done the sieve. There's 2 more sieves there, sieve here. Why there's more black stuff is because I've already gone through it once. I was chucking it here, so yeah, that's why there's a lot of black. Yeah, I'm not expecting too much. A lot of steel, as you can see. Old screws, bolts, all sorts of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, but look, there's a big zircon. It's cracked though. We'll give it a go and see how it goes. Yeah, I'll go through it and I'll be right back. Okay, load 1. There's the zircons. There's the sapphires. Okay, time for load 2. See how it goes. Okay, this is now after 2 sieves, and last sieve now. Here we go. Last one. And we'll see how much we get out of the total. Okay, here we go. That's the total of zircon. That's the total of sapphire, and we'll have a look how much did we get for the last time. No more after this. Back to normal wash. Okay, zircon's 214 carats. 629 carats of dud zircons, as well as sapphire, which I've got to go through now, so I'll be right back. Okay, now it's time for the sapphires. And it's 41 carats of sapphires. Cool. Not too bad. Not the best of days, but you know, you can't have them all the time. I'm actually going to go and start work on the tractor. So yeah, I'll show you anyhow what I'm doing. Bye for now. Good morning, guys. Thought I'd give you an update. It rained pretty good, about 60 mil we got this morning. See the mud? She's really turned over the dirt. Yeah. And the dam over there is nearly full. Tanks are full. Yeah, car's still dripping water. So I went out specking, and look what I found. Okay. Check this out. Okay, yeah. Not too bad. This is the best one, I think. Personally, that's my opinion. You know, and this is just a little tiny bugger. So yeah, that was my little specking time, but I'm happy. I'm going for more, so we'll see how we go. Okay, bye for now. Okay guys, I've spotted one. It's only probably rubbish, but it is a sapphire. There it is right there. See it? That's it. Yeah, it's a dud. But that's the only one so far. Okay, and I've now been specking for probably about 30 minutes. But hey, it's the easiest form. So I'll take you to the next one. Bye for now. Good morning guys. I'm only specking at the moment. The ground is a little bit wet. As you can see over here, it's wet. So I'll be doing a bit of specking, and I've got to learn how to use this thing, as well as my new phone. I've got my new Huawei. So anyhow, I'm specking at my wall, and there's the sapphire right there. Okay, so time to pick it out and see how big it is. Well, there you go. Okay, now we'll see and guess what? It's clear. Now I haven't got my torch, so we'll see what we can do here. If we can look into direct sunlight, there you go. See the colour? Yeehaw, beauty. Okay, and that's probably about 6-7 carat. Number 1. We'll see if we can get number 2. Bye. Okay guys, another one. Okay, I don't think it's any good though, but this, yeah, see, it's a starry piece, it's a dud. Okay, we'll have a look in the sunlight. It's a dud. Okay, this is my driveway. If you have a look, this is how far the stone has been pushed. So that's another one in the pocket. Something, oh yeah, broken glass. I'll keep going. This is how far down the hill sapphires get pushed during the rain. I found them here before. Every time you have a really good rain, it has to rain heavy enough to move the sapphires. So yeah, this time was enough. We got 60 to 70 mil, some reports are 72, 73 mil. We'll see. Okay, till the next one. Bye. Good morning guys. I am in the process of changing tyres. Here we are. Okay, there we go. Yep, putting on brand new front tyres on the tractor. You know, that's one. And then I got to do the other side. That one. Right, and then I got to do the ram. Now, the ram, yep, yeah, it needs brand new seals. So I might have to put it back together again because I've ordered them and it's going to take a while before they get here. And as you can see, that pile's pretty big. Okay, I can't zoom in on this GoPro, which is not good. Okay, anyhow, I'll show you when I finish. Here we go guys, 2 brand new tyres on. And thanks very much to Childs at Emerald, $492 for the 2 of them. Me fitting them, of course, them fitting them on the rims and getting rid of the old tyres. I thought that was dirt cheap. These guys are light truck, 12 ply, excellent, 2 brand new tubes. I thought it was great price. Thanks Brad from Childs. Hey, thank you. Bye for now. Good morning guys. This is just a little bit different of a video. I'm here going to tell you that I'll be late with the videos is because my ram here is waiting for seals. Okay, and as you can see, the load is waiting, so I can't process any dirt because of it. And yeah, it is stifling here, humid as all. So what's going to happen if I can't work upstairs, I'll have to go underground. So we'll see how it goes. So from here on in, I might be late with the video, so please take care, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.